Presenting Aether by Utopia Compression, a completely passive detection, tracking, and 3D pose estimation solution for tracking airborne objects as well as objects over land, surface of water, and in space for applications like Counter-UAS. Aether is designed to address two focus areas within DARPA-ERAS: detecting and tracking elusive objects across land, air, and space domains, and overcoming limitations of SWaP-C constraints. Aether is a modular, scalable pipeline that can perform a wide variety of different applications, like Counter-UAS for longer operational distances. Detecting and tracking objects is a challenging task, especially when the object size is small and it is moving as well as maneuvering. Current state of the art can be classified into two categories: sensors and solutions. Sensors can be active or passive, and solutions can be classical algorithm based or machine learning based. Detecting small objects is generally solved through vision models and acoustic anomaly detection using AI, while classical solutions include optical flow based methods and time difference of arrival calculation. Under active sensor solutions, LiDAR-based neural network and radar signature classification are common using machine learning, and time difference of arrival with LiDAR and Kalman filters for radar are common with classical algorithms. Performance of ML models are dependent on the quality of the training data, while classical algorithms introduce a higher amount of false positives in the system. Aether is designed to use the best of both worlds: classical computer vision to provide performance guarantees without the requirement of any training data for detection and tracking, and machine learning models with uncertainty quantification for trustworthy and reliable AI performance for object identification. Along with performance guarantees, Aether uses Utopia Compression's proprietary algorithm for estimating the 3D position and distance of airborne objects with a single monocular camera without requiring any on-ship maneuver. Aether's passive sensing and innovative software allows it to track non-cooperative targets and also estimate their 3D position and range without any specific maneuver. Cooperative sensors cannot handle non-cooperative targets and are active emission sensors. Radar is an active emission sensor with a large footprint, leading to SWaP-C complications for longer operational distances. Other conventional vision-based systems cannot provide the 3D position and range without executing specific maneuvers that restrict their deployability. Aether provides real-time distance estimation for moving and maneuvering targets both above and below the horizon, thus acting as an early warning system. Along with distance estimation, Aether also provides the capability to track multiple objects in real time, passively using embedded boards deployed at edge, which enables a higher degree of situational awareness. With the capability of being able to detect objects as small as 9 pixels in size, Aether provides a higher level of actionable intelligence using passive sensors with no information required from the intruders, thus allowing it to be used in unknown and uncertain environments. Additionally, for platforms using Aether, no specific on-ship maneuvers are required for distance estimation, allowing covert operations. All of these abilities are housed within a single unit with an embedded processor and multiple cameras for a higher field of view coverage. This weighs less than 5 pounds, which makes it ideal as a payload for Group 1 platforms. Utopia Compression is currently working with platform manufacturers to integrate Aether with different airborne vehicles. Utopia Compression comprises a team of highly experienced individuals who possess the necessary expertise to deliver Aether successfully. Dr. Joseph Yadigar, the CTO and founder of the company, has several decades of experience in the industry and has led the development of multiple groundbreaking techniques that are currently integrated with the Aether pipeline. Dr. Imama Ali is an expert in computer vision and has spent many years in the automotive and surveillance industry working on cutting-edge solutions. She has several patents and brings a rich technical background to Aether. Dr. Anushna Chakraborty is an expert in multi-agent systems with a focus on sensor fusion, collaborative autonomy, and path planning. She is the senior technical lead of Aether and brings an enriching vision on utilizing the capabilities of Aether in different domains. Dr. Ishan Kanapuri a leading scientist in the AI ML domain, has worked on vision problems with trustworthy AI models. His work on passive perception is highly sought after, and he is engaged with the U.S. Navy to deliver a passive maritime situational awareness solution. With a vast amount of expertise in multiple areas, Utopia Compression's team has the unique capability of ensuring a successful outcome of Aether. Aether has cross-domain applications spread across land for search and rescue, airborne for detect and avoid, and space environments for debris identification and tracking. In summary, the key offerings of Aether are covert object detection, situational awareness, track custody maintenance, passive target localization, trustworthy intelligence, target classification, real-time monitoring, and SWAP-C and sensor-agnostic payload. Aether's defense industry applications include counter-UAS, low-altitude airspace surveillance, autonomous convoy protection, manned-unmanned teaming, detect and avoid, and ISR, as well as maritime domain awareness. Aether has several commercial applications like last-mile package delivery, infrastructure inspection, air taxis, perimeter security and surveillance, emergency services, and precision agriculture observation. Utilizing the innovative solution stack developed through funding by DARPA, FAA, and AFRL, Aether is poised to become a key enabling technology for detection and tracking of elusive objects of interest in land, air, and space domains.